Hey guys, Movie247 here, and today we're going to be taking this little cheap RC, well, I don't know about cheap, but to its doom in a mud pit. It's been raining a lot, and, well, I guess we can put this little bit of mud, and then we'll take it to the big mud, but it really is messed up. This is what it sounds like. The shoes. Let's go. Little mud. Uncle Moose. It has a little grip. Let me zoom. Let me get focused to where it is. There we go. Spin the wheels. Okay, let's put it in deeper. Let's check the other side. Oh god. Turn. Stuck. Okay, so we can't do that. I don't think we'll be able to do any of these. But we can attempt. Okay, it's real blurry. What's real? There we go. We have to make it through this. This is easy peasy. Oh, no. No. Oh, crap. What are you doing? No, don't die on me. Don't die. Don't let the fire burn out. Don't die. Oh, for a second there, it actually sounded better. I was saying, hey, it's fixed. Guess not. Punch it. See if we can get through. Oh. Shoot. Died. It's really getting wet. Oh no, it stopped. Still running. It's sounding a little better. So let's go find some more. Can it make it through this? We'll attempt. I don't even think I'll be able to go. Okay. Inside car, activate. It's actually getting muddy. Ah, shoot. No! Oh, it's jammed. There's something jammed up in it. Oh. There we go. All better. Let's try and make it go through the deep end. We'll attempt it. No. Something's jammed. Wait. Here's a big size mud puddle. Let's go through it. We'll attempt. It's not gonna make it. It's gonna die. Die dramatically. Wheel can't touch the ground. We're gonna hold down the throttle, and then we're gonna punch it. Let's get it to go in a deep spot. Okay, zoom in. Go. Oh God. Fully submerged. I was dead. No, breathe! Breathe!
Jonathan, come here.
It's fully submerged! Breathe! No! Breathe! I was dead. I'm gonna see if I can get some life.